Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. And today we got a couple of different things planned for you. Be right back. Okay, you guys, I thought you might want an update. We left off. Okay, see we're driving. There's a couple drips, which I think the shower is right. The connection as it goes into the gray tank. The seal there must be. So after we take a shower, it drips for a little bit and then it quits. So it's not the supply or anything from the water pump. So that's good. We're gonna just be judicious in our water use, and when we get up to Iowa, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, guys, we are in Clarkdale, Arizona. We're at the Arizona Copper Art Museum. As you know, Arizona is the copper state. Got a couple things out here. Look at quickly. I think this is going to be kind of cool. I never would. Just looking at it online, and we stopped into a copper store yesterday. Just didn't realize it. But okay, yeah, everything out here is made of copper. Even this metal breaker. This metal. Well, no. Okay, the bell's copper. All right, cool. Some kind of kiln or distillery or something. Okay, let's go inside. Lisa's over here. What's this? Oh, some things, different things down there. This is historic Clarkdale, and we're only like 15 minutes from the campsite. Here, round door, back this way. I thought you knew what door to go in.
Discover. Huh?
I thought you knew what door to go in.
I don't know where I was going. There's a timeline here. It's pretty cool.
What is?
The metal timeline.
Oh, yeah.
Those were founded.
Mercury. Can't really read it.
No, it's hard to read. 1700s. All these 18s.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, here we go. And I think we're at the right door. Okay, here's the entrance. We're supposed to self-guided tour to the right. Very cool. I love all the shiny copper already. It was $20 for Lisa and I to get in. $10 a piece for senior. Yeah, I know. But tells about the early production and all that. I'm not going to make this video 3 hours long. You know, we don't do long videos, so you guys will have to come yourself or look online.
Okay, so this talks about the Clark Mansion that was constructed for Charles's son, Senator Clark's son, who was Charles, and it was just located east of Clarksdale. Senator William Clark lived in it for about a year before he passed away, and then his grandson William Clark moved in. William Clark III moved in, and he died in a plane crash in 1932. And then the other male heir also died in 1934. So all the male heirs were dead. So only the female heirs were left, and they sold everything.
So of course the Clark family, they were responsible for the copper mine, right?
That's what it looks like.
And so they had a mansion, and thus the town's name of Clarkdale.
Yeah, it looks like it was born. It was burned in 2010.
The mansion?
Yeah, they had no idea. Still don't know who did it. It was suspicious, but no one has been held accountable for it. Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Interesting.
Let's see what else.
One more proton and one benzene.
Everything you wanted to know about copper. And then some. It's all the places, coppers.
So did you explain that this was the high school?
No, this museum's actually
A high school that was built in 1928 because of all the mining and stuff that was going on, so they needed a high school. So it's really kind of fun because on the outside of each of the doors, there's that little horseshoe with a piece of paper, and it tells what each room is or what the purpose. Like this was a history room. So
this one is?
Yeah. So it's really cool that they incorporated the information from the high school in with the museum. And the museum is owned by a private family. They were looking for someplace different to put their collection. This from like the 1960s on. They would go in Europe around Europe and they bought all kinds of metal, copper. So they made a museum. This is their stuff. They still own it. They still, I guess, bring things, buy things, trade things. I don't know. But
interesting.
It's privately, yeah.
And for those of you that don't know, Lisa's a retired school teacher. So she likes schools. Unlike me. Okay,
The 5 C's of Arizona.
Copper, cattle, cotton, citrus, and climate. Copper smithing tools and anvils from the 17 and 1800s. Room 100, and this is the library. Oh, Lisa was a librarian too. Copper as military art. Okay, this is like that cartridge we saw when we first walked in. Huh. World War I. France and Germany.
Casings.
I guess so.
That the military, the men just started hammering on and making designs on.
And back when copper was probably hardly worth anything. The shits. The Hippocratic Oath for physicians. A lot of them should have read that 5 years ago, 6 years ago. It's 2026, by the way. Okay, so now we're across the hall. This is room 101. The Science Lab. Opening day, March 2nd, 1928. Look at this. So much copper. Those would be kind of cool if they weren't scary. What are they showing us here?
I have no idea.
This room. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see a theme. Oh, there we go. There it is. Art and architecture. Okay. See the art. Where's the
doorknobs?
Doorknobs?
Saw it somewhere. There, I think that was
Okay. Art and architecture. I don't know. It seems like copper has a good feeling to me. Does it feel good? It just kind of feels good. It felt good in that store yesterday, and I don't know why. No. Dead Sea Copper Scroll. What the heck?
Among the famous Dead Sea Scrolls, ancient texts of sacred laws and prophecies, one discovery stood apart. It wasn't written on fragile parchment like the others. It was painstakingly hammered into a sheet of pure copper. This is the Dead Sea Copper Scroll. But why was it forged in metal, a material so difficult and expensive to work with? Because unlike the other scrolls, this was not a text for study. It was a treasure map, the only one of its kind. It lists 64 locations, describing an immense hoard of lost gold and silver believed to be worth $1 billion. From the ancient hands that etched it to the modern science that unlocked it, the scroll is a testament to copper's power to carry a secret across millennia. The replica displayed directly above this screen is a faithful recreation of this legendary artifact, a treasure map cast forever in copper.
Well, that was kind of interesting.
Yeah. Different.
What's this room?
This is part of it.
Oh, religious art. Okay. There's Jesus. Oh, bocce ball. Oh, there's some of the classes, the Clarkdale. 46, 45, these are all 37. 46, 37. This copper?
I don't know what that is, but I think they're saying the original was copper.
Oh, that's right, it was.
Or is, and it was.
It is, yeah. That's cool. Okay. Report to room 105. It's the art room. I think we've seen a lot of art already, haven't we? Can't see too much, I guess. I hope it's as shiny for you guys as it is for us here now.
That's a big grater. It's a big grater.
Holy cow, what's that grate? How many dollars in copper do you think is in this place? I couldn't even guess. Could not even guess.
Yes.
Yeah, lots of cookware. I didn't realize people were so much into copper cookware. I guess that's why you come to museums, so you can learn. Especially a museum in a school. I don't know, what do you think these are? Some kind of molds for like Jell-O cake or something? Hello?
Oh, I'm sorry, what?
What do you think these are? Molds?
Yeah, I think usually.
Yeah. Coffee grinders. Of course, his symbol. Yeah, trumpets. What's these records? Wow. Before records are produced in vinyl, a mother copy, a master copy of the music must be made first. Many times, these master copies are made of copper. Unbelievable copper. Purposeful. I guess so. Use it for everything. Hey, you've got one of these. I made you save it though, didn't I?
Yeah, I have it. It's packed one. It was in the garage. We didn't.
Well, I know, but you didn't want it.
Yeah, it's been packed.
Copper toasters. Huh. Room 108, English room. Wine glasses. Yeah, there's Jesus turning water into wine. Figured there had to be some beer vessels in here somewhere. That reminds me, it's happy hour. Oh, she's at happy hour too. Oh, so is she. Everybody's telling us it's happy hour. Everybody's telling us it's happy hour down there. Cognac pot still. This is wrapping it up. Yeah.
Imagine trying to ship that back.
Oh, the whole system here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Cognac. Pot still.
Yep. All righty, thank you, sir.
Thank you for coming.
You betcha. Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you for advertising.
We will. We are. What was your name again?
Roman.
Roman?
Roman, like the Empire.
No, Roman. Yeah, like the Empire. All right. Very cool.
Thanks.
See you. Maybe we'll bring somebody back too.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Well, that was pretty cool, huh? What'd you think of that?
That was really cool.
Very, very cool.
It's much better than I thought. I had no idea.
I had no idea either. Okay, let's go find something else to do. Okay, I guess that's going to do it for us in Cottonwood. Yeah, we got to learn Cottonwood. It's
Cute little town.
a cute little town. Water leak is good. We've got that figured out. The Copper Art Museum, that was cool.
Very interesting.
I wouldn't make it a destination. Maybe, but if you're in the area, definitely do it. Yeah, maybe make it a destination. I don't know. This RV park, Rio Verde
Very nice.
RV Resort, RV Park, whatever it's called. Very, very good. They are always cleaning up, picking up. And when we thought we had the something serious with the leak, I went over to see if we could get a refund, and if we had to leave, cut our stay here short and get back, speed our way to Iowa and get it fixed. But and she said, yeah, we'll work with you. Her name is Mandy. She's a manager here. Hi, Mandy. I think you're probably watching. Good job. Respect you. Good job in this park. Anyway, we're down the road here tomorrow morning. God bless. Share this with like-minded people. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post.
We'll see you again real soon.
Bye.